Cordial greeting, tutor and classmate. I will answer uh, the following question.
What's your
One moment, please. The computer it is slow. My name is Tania Jimenez Suarez.
How do you spell your family name?
Jimenes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Cáceres, Antioquia, but I live in Salón Córdoba.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I am who's study. I am study foreign language with emphasis in English.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I like learning other language, meet people, and also get to know other cultures.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
And my free time, I listen to music. I go to the shul. Also, I visit my family, especially my parents.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
I can be improvised by reading books, watching series in English, watch videos in English.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I would like to have the ability to draw and find perfect. Thank you.